Guardian Storage presents things to consider when renting a storage unit. Do they offer a variety of sizes to accommodate your needs? You don't want to select a space that's too small for your items. Are there climate and non-climate controlled units? Climate control is important if you're storing items like furniture, clothing, and other household items. Are you able to access your unit 7 days a week, 365 days a year? Will you feel safe accessing your storage space day or night? Is the property gated? Look for security features like digital video cameras, unit alarms, motion detectors, personal passcodes, and sprinkler systems. Do they offer conveniences such as trucks, moving carts and dollies, elevators, and covered loading docks? Is there active and ongoing pest control at the property? Is the property well kept and consistently maintained by a dedicated staff? Are there professional, experienced on-site managers? See if they'll accept packages for you if you want to have items delivered to your unit. Does the storage company offer a protection plan? To learn how Guardian Storage answers these questions and others, call or stop by one of our locations and talk with one of our certified storage professionals.